15, the critics complain that Colette's novels are indifferent to moral questions. They're indifferent. And we're saying, nuh-uh, it's not fair. That's not right. Because her novels are poetic condensations. What the hell does a poetic condensation have to do with whether or not you are indifferent to the moral questions? Nothing. We have just assumed that poetic condensations are not indifferent to moral questions. Answer choice B, a novel that poetically condenses does not have to be indifferent to moral questions. And you see how it just takes the conclusion and the evidence and says they fit? We have assumed that they fit. We've assumed that poetic condensations mean something about moral indifference. And why do we know that we've assumed that? Well, because if poetic condensations are necessarily indifferent, then this whole argument becomes stupid. The whole argument is based on the assumption that poetic condensations are not indifferent to moral questions. So here's the deal with these free videos. They're intended to serve a very narrow purpose. For those times when you're wondering, why is that the right answer? You can just come here for a complete library and find out why it was the right answer. And I hope that you'll find that it was very instructive. Of course, the other part of the deal is that since LSAC publishes all of their tests along with test keys, that means that there's no barrier to entry for test prep. And you can hear the air quotes, I hope. Anybody can, and lots of people have, set up shop and call themselves test prep companies. And they've got the questions, they've got the answer keys, and they just try to explain to you why the right answer is right. And then they charge you money for it? That is wrong. I want to put a stop to it. I want to sweep the legs right out from under them. It is bad for you. It's bad for me too. So if you want to know what the right answer is and why the right answer is right, I want you to be able to come here and find it out for free without paying anybody for it. That's very different from what I do in the paid course. What I think has value about what I do is that I can tell you ahead of time what every question wants from you, what to expect from the right answer, how to formulate a right answer, and then how you can expect wrong answers to sound, so that you know before you ever open up a test book exactly what to expect. And all the practice videos that are part of the paid course are just me putting that theory into practice. It's just the rubber meeting the road. In other words, I'm going to show you, based on what we've done before, how we're going to react when it comes up next time. And that bit, knowing what to do the next time you see something, that I think is worth paying for. And if you agree, I'd love to have you in the course. And if not, that's fine too. Don't pay anybody to explain why right answers are right. Just watch these for free. Enjoy.